back with another Karnataka special breakfast, Shavige Bath. Rice shavige loaded with lots of vegetables, so healthy and literally melts in your mouth. The most common problem everyone faces while making Shavige Bath is it turns sticky. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make this perfect non-sticky Shavige Bath. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Here in this bowl, I have taken 1 pack of rice shavige. Here I have about 200 grams of Anil shavige. You can use any brand. You can see how nice and thin this shavige is. All our fresh vegetables are ready here. Let's start by cooking shavige. Here I have kept about 2 glasses of water to boil. To this I am adding about 1 tablespoon of oil. This really helps to get non-sticky shavige. Add half a tablespoon of salt. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and give it a good mix. Once water started to boil, add 200 grams of shavige. After adding it, immediately turn off the flame and let it sit in the hot water for 4 to 5 minutes. Exactly after 5 minutes, you can see how nicely the shavige has got cooked. This is the best and correct way to cook to get the perfect non-sticky shavige. With this method, the shavige stays separate, soft and fluffy. It will never turn sticky or mushy. Leave it in the strainer itself. If there is any extra water, let it strain off. Now let's move on and start making delicious shavige bath. To a pan, I am adding about 2 tablespoons of oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, few cashew nuts. Fry them until it turns crunchy and slight golden color. Next add few curry leaves. 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Fry it until it turns transparent. Next I am adding all the vegetables. 1 small chopped carrot, chopped beans. We are not adding any water here, so cook the vegetables nicely in the oil itself. Add salt as per your taste. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Once the vegetables are nicely cooked, add chopped capsicum. Capsicum really enhances the taste of the shavige bath to next level. Please don't miss this. A secret ingredient, quarter teaspoon of sugar. Handful of green peas. Half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. Let's go ahead and bring the shavige. The shavige is completely strained here. At this point, it may still look like little bit sticky, but don't worry, once we add this into vegetables, it will become completely non-sticky. Add this to the vegetables. Use a soft spatula and gently give it a good mix. Before you serve this, close the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. Here you go, our Karnataka special perfect non-sticky shavige bath is ready. I hope you enjoyed this authentic Karnataka special recipe. Serve this hot with fresh coconut chutney. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.